Welcome back to the channel and welcome to the channel. I'm Emmanuel, and in today's video I'm going to make you understand how to wind the coils when you want to make a DC brushed motor. Now in this video I'm going to be making reference to the 12-pole armature because that is what I have here today. So make sure to stick to the end so that you can know how to do it on your own. And if by the end of the video you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe. And if you are still confused by anything, please drop a comment. You decide on how many poles you want to make so you can have an idea of the kind of results you want. The first thing you will do is to strip off the enamel coating on the end of the first wire that you are going to use to start your winding. Now after you've done that, you start your winding, provided that you have the exact number of commutators needed for the number of poles that you have. If you don't know or have a commercial commutator, which is usually the ones that we find in motors made from factories, comment down below so that I can show you how you can make your own commutator. Start your winding from your designated commutator and wind around 3 poles. Like I said, I'll be making this tutorial according to the one I have. Wrap around 3 poles, making sure that the starting commutator and its aligning pole are between 2 poles in a clockwise direction, and make sure that along your winding that you do not change the direction of your winding because it will alter the performance of the motor. Now after winding the first coil, find the area where the copper wire will make contact with the commutator. Strip off the enameled coating on that copper wire with a sharp object, a razor or a box cutter as I'm using here. Then after stripping off that area, you oil the wire around that commutator. Then after doing that, you now go to the next pole. Initially you wound around 3 poles. Now you shift to the 4th pole, which is the next one after the 3rd one, also in a clockwise direction. Now go to that pole and also wind 3 poles again. Now continue with this process. When you finish the number of turns that you want this armature to have, you strip off the end of the wire of your last winding. And after stripping it off, you connect that end to the first commutator. So the end of the last winding connects to the first commutator. Thank you so much for watching. If you stayed to this point, please comment your ideas and see you next one.